If you need to transfer your domain away from Namecheap, you'll first need your Auth code, also called an EPP code. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Auth code for a Namecheap domain step by step, so you can complete your domain transfer without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, head over to Domain List. This is where all of your domains are shown in one place. Find the domain you want to transfer, then click Manage next to it. That will open the settings page for that specific domain. Now, on the domain management screen, look for the Sharing and Transfer tab and click it. This section contains the transfer and sharing options for your domain. After that, scroll down until you find the Transfer Out area. This is where Namecheap gives you the option to prepare your domain for transfer to another registrar. Before you go any further, make sure domain lock is turned off. This is an important step because if the domain is locked, the Auth code may not be available and the transfer can fail. If it is turned on, switch it off first. Once domain lock is disabled, click Get Auth code. Namecheap may then ask you to enter the reason for transferring the domain. This is normal, and you can briefly explain why you're moving the domain. After that, click Send Auth code. Now here's something very important to know. The Auth code or EPP code is usually sent to the registrant email address connected to the domain, not always the same email address you use to sign in to Namecheap. So if you don't see it in your Namecheap inbox, check the registrant email associated with the domain. That email will contain the transfer code you need. Once you have the Auth code, you can use it at your new registrar to complete the domain transfer. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.